Safety Talk 85. More dangerous than Mount Everest. There is one kind of climbing more dangerous than climbing a mountain. And what's surprising is that you do it often. I'm talking about the most common climb in the world. Climbing stairs. Underscore 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 underscore. Here, we build stairs to be as safe as possible. They have handrails, shallow steps, good lighting, and non-slip surfaces. But even stairs like these can injure or kill if used improperly. Underscore 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 underscore. For example, the best handrail in the world can't save you if you don't use it. It's easy to feel confident. You look up, it seems safe. You go up and down every day without holding the rail. Then, you get used to it. And you start ignoring it. Underscore 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 underscore. But one day, you may slip. You may trip. Or someone may bump into you. That's the moment when using the handrail can mean the difference between walking away healthy or ending up in the hospital with a broken bone. The handrail is like a seatbelt in a car or airplane. Most of the time, you won't need it. But when you do, it could save your life. Underscore 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 underscore. Good lighting helps, but only if you use your eyes. Many workers don't watch their step. They'd be better off in the dark. At least they'd know to be extra careful. Underscore 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 underscore. If you're not paying attention, you could fall from the top step and crash, or bump into someone and send both of you tumbling down. You could also trip over something left on the stairs. Underscore 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 underscore. And remember, stairs are for walking, not for running. Trying to be fast may look funny or save you a few seconds, but like speeding on the road, it could cost your life. Underscore 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 underscore. So if you want to stay safe, On stairs at work, at home, or anywhere else. Follow these 3 rules. Always hold the handrail with one hand. Always watch your step and stay alert. Walk on stairs. Never run. Underscore 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 underscore. If you follow these, stairs will be what they are meant to be. A safe path from one floor to another. Not a road to accidents, injuries, or hospitals. Underscore 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 underscore. If you really want to take climbing risks, save it for your vacation. Climb a mountain. Become a guide. But even mountain climbers know and respect these rules. Hold on. Watch carefully. Take your time. Underscore 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 underscore. We've all seen photos and films of people climbing dangerous peaks. They always follow these 3 safety rules. So, why shouldn't we?